Hi guys, welcome to Crafts by Doti. We are so glad to have you on our channel, which is all about woodwork projects and home decor DIYs. On today's video, we'll be making a drawer organizer or a bedroom chest. This is an ideal item for general bedroom storage or clothing storage. Need 2 sheets of MDF, 1.5 sheets of plywood, 6 pairs of drawer rails and 3 pieces of 6x1 wood measuring 4 feet. To start off the project, we splitted down the piece of MDF board on a circular saw and split it further on the table saw. We then split the 6x1 pieces of wood into 2x1s on the table saw. Using the miter saw, we did trim the 2x1 to a 32-inch width. Off the camera, we divided the 2 side panels into 5 parts. We used a square to transfer the lines into the panel. We then used our hand plane to plane off the 2x1s. We went ahead and attached the top by applying wood glue and driving in 2-inch nails. Afterwards, we attached the 2x1 stripes of wood using wood glue and 2-inch nails. On the miter saw, we did cut 3 pieces of wood which will act as our dresser's base. To give shape to the dresser's base, we placed some marks using a can to give us a round profile. We repeated the process to all the other pieces of wood. We then cut out the profile using a jigsaw. Once done, we set our miter saw at an angle of 45 degrees, then trimmed off the 3 pieces of the base. We used the same process in creating the dresser's top. We then went in with a sandpaper to clear off the saw marks. For the base, we used a spoke shave to clean the saw marks. Once done, we attached the base using 1.5 inch screw and wood glue. We then attached plywood on our dresser's back using 1-inch nails. On the table saw, we did cut all the MDF pieces needed to create our dresser drawers. We also picked some pallet wood, blend them and use them to create the face on which we will attach the drawer face. We then attached the drawers using glue and nails. A nail gun came in handy in assembling the drawers. We also attached plywood on the bottom of each drawer using wood glue and 1-inch nails. Once done with the drawers, we attached the drawer rails on each side of the dresser structure where the drawers are to go in. We then measured our drawer faces and cut them out using a table saw. Once done, we applied a generous amount of glue and attached the faces one after the other. We also used screws to reinforce the faces in place. To create smooth and good looking edges on the drawer faces, we used a router. We also used an automotive filler to fill all the space above the screw and nail heads. Once the filler dried, we sanded it down, first with a P8 sandpaper, then with a number 0 sandpaper. To culminate our project, we did apply 2 undercoats of primer and 5 coats of white paint, sanding in between each coat. For a glossy finish, we mixed our last coat of paint with clear varnish. We then attached the handles and voila, our project is complete. Thanks guys for watching our video to this point. We hope you're taking some skills home from our woodwork project. If you do, be sure to give our video a thumbs up and share it with people who might be interested in the same. Thanks for clicking into Crafts by Doti. We will see you on our next video.